こんにちは。バブキャットです。私はここにあと鉱山です。Good afternoon, Bobcat. I am here in the art mines, and it is a really lousy, snowy day. And have I got a treat for me? Uh, I was gifted this year with a subscription to this thing called Bokksu, which Bokksu, which is a really great collection of very highly curated snacks and sweet and savory snacks and tea from Japan. This company is called Bokksu, and my family got me a subscription for it. So we just got the one from Hokkaido. It's just to the Hokkaido region, and picture goes here. And the Hokkaido snack box had these great things in it. One of my favorites was this thing called Onion Stupid, for lack of a better direct translation. But it was crispy rice puffs that were really crazy onion flavored. But all these snacks and the teas featured the region of Hokkaido, and it is fantastic. I absolutely recommend this service to everybody. As soon as my subscription runs out, I'm going to get one for me. And we just got the latest box. I have no idea what's in it. So I wanted to share that with you. When you order or when you receive your Bokksu box, it will come very nicely bubble wrapped and in the package. That's beautiful. Itadakimasu. So this is their new year in Kanagawa. And oh man. So you saw a little bit of the Hokkaido one. This one has New Year's snacks. And this shows you what you get. Little Japanese lesson. And then snacks and snacks. Those some facts about Kanagawa region of Japan. More snacks. Oh, I'm so excited. And I'm keeping all of these books, by the way. I'll put these together in a lovely volume. Lovely gift card from them. Well, not gift card, but a card within the gift. And gummies and Foot of Mount Hakone Black Tea, or Kocha, I think it's called. Pancake snacks. French fries. Crispy French fries. Vanilla something or other. And, you know, waffles. Chocolate fish. Chocolate-filled fish. A lovely ring cake. Buttercream sandwich. This looks like not mochi, but it's oh, there we go. It's a green lemon snack. So you get this mix of sweet and savory, and it is beautifully packaged, and I have just absolutely ravished this package. Some crispy fish treats. This looks like Naruto Maki. It just keeps going. There's just so much. There are some seasoned rice crackers. This looks like from a local Chinese restaurant. And some candies. I'm so excited about this. One of the things that I absolutely intend to do when I go back to Japan is just to have a whole suitcase full of snacks to bring back. But until then, I'm not paid by Bokksu. You can find them on Twitter, but absolutely enjoy them. And I will be continuing my subscription with them forever and ever and ever. It is just about the next best thing to having a suitcase full of snacks from Japan that they carefully curate, package beautifully, and ship straight to you. So arigatou gozaimasu to all the people at Bokksu for their hard work and creativity, and thank you so much.